somewhere comfortable, somewhere you can close your eyes for a little while you're listening to me. Are you now comfortable? Very good. Now, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths for me. Deep in and out. In and out. In and out. Picture yourself standing in the doorway of a bathroom. The floor isn't cold, but it's cool to the touch under your feet. The air is thick with steam, and you can hear the sound of the shower running. It's a hot, hot shower. You walk through the bathroom to the shower stall. You can feel the humidity in the air, the fullness of it starting to coat your skin, make you just that little bit damp. I'm right there with you, holding your hand. As long as we're here like this, nothing bad can happen. We're together and we're safe. I know your mind is racing, a million thoughts running through your head and weighing you down. I want you to take a deep breath, then step into that shower. Picture the hot water against your skin, trickling down from the top of your head, down your toes, and getting lost down the drain. Picture it stripping it all away, all the thoughts, all the things running through your head. The water just washes them down, down, down and away, flowing out of you, leaving you calm and empty, clean and fresh. Everything just stripped away. Picture yourself being filled with light. Fill yourself up with happy things. The people that love you. The people you love. You are amazing, wonderful, talented, beautiful, and above all, loved, cherished, and treasured. Let the water warm you up. Wrap around you like a blanket, all encompassing and close, keeping you warm, safe, and calm. The light starts to fill you up. The feeling bubbles up inside you like champagne. Up from your toes, your legs, to your chest, and bubbles over into a beautiful smile. Maybe